We got Buldak and Wingstop. Look how saucy that is, y'all. First bite for you. Y'all, I think it tastes the best with the original hot. Like, look at that. Some ranch. Look at that, y'all. Original hot is so good. It's like my favorite one. Y'all, this is so freaking good. It's my last bite. We got stew type Buldak today. First bite for you. Rice cake. Look at that. I'm at Lily's house right now. I'm watching my beautiful niece, Alora. Y'all, she's so bad. But she's so funny and so cute. I love her so much. Oh. Y'all, I don't know why I did that. I don't know how this is still hot though. Like, oh my gosh. Look at that. I got a new phone. I was running out of storage and I wanted to upgrade my quality for y'all because my quality has been looking so bad. I can't do that to y'all. But look at that, y'all. So good. I'm literally sweating. This is so hot. Cheers. Y'all, I just burped while I was swallowing. I almost threw up. Oh my gosh. That was scary. Look at this bite though, y'all. Oh my gosh. Last bite. stewed Thai Buldak, and imitation crab. Rice cake. Y'all, the crab is really good with the Buldak sauce. Last bite.
Hi loves, today I have Buldak ramen. Bruh, I forgot to press record. I always forget to do something. I don't know if I said it already, but there was imitation crab, a soft-boiled egg, and I added mozzarella cheese. Spice tolerance is such an interesting thing because I haven't had this in a couple days and it's actually pretty spicy. Anyways, I'm sorry I forgot to press record. I had some good bites in there too. Be sure to follow me so that you can watch me eat ramen again.
We got Wingstop and Buldak today. First bite for you. This is mango. I started digital marketing last night and I haven't made any sales, but it's okay. I'm super excited because that's one of my dream jobs, literally. And I think y'all should start as well. Cheers. I'm moving soon and I'm so freaking excited because I'm staying in an apartment right now. This is also my very first time and I really don't like apartments. I don't know what it is. I've always had a house. Shout out to my parents. But y'all, I'm so excited because I was very nervous, but y'all, the Lord, he sat me down. He said, Aaron, stop stressing, stop worrying. What are you worried for? And you know what? After that, because y'all, I had literally had a realization. Like, I talked to my sisters and I was like very, very sad and depressed. I was like, I don't know what to do. I'm stressed out. Like, I'm very young, but it's like a lot to, like, oh my gosh, like, yeah, you young, but this is real life, bitch. Like, you know. But y'all, I just wanted to say thank y'all for being here for me. I love y'all so much, and cheers to that. But it's just like, oh, you know, I don't know. I really don't. Y'all help me out. I'm like going through a midlife crisis or something. I don't know. I'm just like, I just be stressed and worried about my future and stuff. It's like, oh my God. But I'm going to just stop worrying, let go, and let God, you know. That's all I can do. But this is my last bite.
Let's eat my In-N-Out order. I get a double cheeseburger with grilled and raw onions, same thing, lettuce wrapped, and an animal fry. And of course we have some extra sauce. Let's just grub. Really the perfect burger. Put some extra sauce on there. This is so good. I'll never betray In-N-Out. The perfect bite. Last few bites of a burger are my favorite. We're keeping it healthy. Look at that bite. Let's dig into these animal fries. I think I'll save the rest for later. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next video.
Let's eat David's hot chicken with Buldak. Yo, those are some creamy noodles. You can't tell me this don't look good. I'm telling you, Buldak in their sandwich is so good.